Hi, welcome back, children. How are you all? I think you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Is it? Yes, that's good. Okay, let's move on to our today's class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in social science. The name of the lesson is Towards History. So, what does the term history means? History is nothing but study of past. Study of olden age. So in this chapter we are going to see about ancient people, how they lived and what all the things they used, how they ate, all these things we are going to see in this lesson. Okay? Yes. The first topic is Stone Age. What is that? Stone Age. Let's read this paragraph first. Stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. To start with, humans were not aware of any weapons or metals. They took several years to invent them. Alive today are their gift. In this period, humans were not aware of scripts. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay, so you can see the last line, the definition of Stone Age. What is the definition of Stone Age? Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. So, in Stone Age, people were using only stones for all the purposes. As a tool, as a weapon, for everything they were using only stones. So, that age is called as Stone Age. Okay. See the first line. Stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. Past means in olden age. Okay. To start with, humans were not aware of any weapons or metals. So today we are having so much of weapons, so many metals are available. So what are the metals available for us now? We are using iron, copper, aluminium, gold, silver, so many metals we are using nowadays. But in olden days, old age people, they didn't know about any metals available. So they were using only the stones as a weapon and as a tools for every purpose. Okay. They took several years to invent them. So they took many years to invent the metals that we are all using nowadays. Okay. Our lives today are their gift. So because of that ancient people only, we are living a happy life now. Okay. They invented many things. What all we are using for a day-to-day life now, they only invented. So our life today are their gifts. Okay. In this period, humans were not aware of scripts. Okay. They don't know anything about scripts. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. So what is the definition of Stone Age? The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay, you can see the picture of stone tools, or you can see it as weapons also. So they use these tools to protect themselves, animals, to dig roots, for everything they use this kind of tools. So they were using only the stones for every purpose. So that is called a Stone Age. Okay. Next topic is nature of human evolution. Nature of human evolution. So early humans lived in jungles along with animals. They used the stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roots, shoots, etc. So where did olden people live? They lived in jungle, that is forest. In forest what will be there? All kind of wild animals will be there. So in early age people lived in jungles along with the all type of animals. So they were using all the stone tools to protect themselves from animals, to dig out the roots, shoots, for everything they were using only the stone tools. Okay. The most important thing is that they ate everything raw, including flesh. So what happened? What they eat? They ate everything raw. What we are doing nowadays? We are cooking everything with the help of fire, and we are making tasty food and we are eating. But in olden age what people ate? They ate everything raw without cooking, and they even ate the flesh of the animals without cooking only. Why they ate without cooking? Because they don't know anything about fire. They were not aware of fire at the beginning. So you can see the line. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning. Okay. So because they don't know anything about fire, what they did? They ate everything raw without cooking anything. Okay. At first, dog was their good companion. So in olden age, what happened? First, people were using dog as a pet animal. Okay. Wild animals ran away when dog barked. Okay. When dog, so people they were living in the forest. In forest, all kind of wild animals will be there. So what happened when wild animals come? The dog will start barking. So hearing the sound of the dog barking, what will happen? The animals will run away. So the people they were using the wild dog for protecting themselves, wild animals. Okay. Humans tamed dog as their pet at first. They took it wherever they went. Later they started rearing cattle as they did not harm them and they were very useful to them. So at first what people was having? They were having only the dog. So later what happened? They were using the cattle also. What are cattle means? Cow, goat, or pig, all these are cattle. So they were using these kind of animals also as a pet animal because these animals will not harm them. Okay. They observed some grains growing along the riverside. So after that few days, after some years, what happened? They were seeing some grains and all growing on the riverside. So they ate them and it found it was very tasty. Okay. They observed that the scattered grains were only eaten by birds. So they were seeing everything they were watching. So they were seeing that grains and all it is growing along the riverside and they took it and they were eating it and it was tasting very good, and they were also seeing that birds and all they are eating these scattered grains. So they were watching all these things and they were watching this also, that because of the sunshine and rainfall only all these grains are growing. That also they found out. So at last they were thinking, oh, because of the sun and rain only all these grains are growing. So they were started learning the art of cultivation. So they were learning the art of agriculture also. So how to grow crops, how to take care of the crops, all these things they were started learning slowly. Okay. So in this picture you can see a man with the dog. So he is having a dog as a pet animal and he is taking the dog everywhere where he is going. And people they are living in the near the river bank. Okay. So they were started the cultivation and they are growing the grains also in this picture, and you can see they were having some vessels and they are cooking. Okay, stop. Okay, can understand from the picture all these things. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Yes, invention of fire. So in olden days, people they don't know anything about fire. Later, what happened? Human noticed forest fire. So what happened? Suddenly there was a forest fire. At first, they were afraid of fire. They found some animals dead due to fire. They ate the flesh of burnt animals. It tasted good. They also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. Since then, they ate cooked food. So, what happened? Now they found fire. There were a very big forest fire. Seeing that fire, all the people got afraid. But in that fire, some animals also died. What they did, these people took the flesh of the burnt animals and they ate that. It was tasting very good. It was very yummy. So they were So they started eating that burnt animal flesh and it was very good, and then they were observing how the fire came. So how the fire came? By scratching two stones. If we scratch two stones, what will happen? The spark will come. From that they found out the fire, and after that they were start eating the cooked food. Okay. So invention of fire, how people invented fire? Human noticed forest fire. At first they were afraid of fire. They found some animals dead due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animal. It tasted good. They also observed that a spark came out by scratching two stones together. Since then, they ate cooked food. You see the picture, what people are doing? They are scratching the stones and they are making fire, and with that fire they are cooking the food and they are eating. Okay, this is how people invented fire in olden age. Okay, yes. Now, what is museum? I think everybody have gone to museum. In Chennai also museum is there and everybody would have gone there. Okay. In what will be there in the museum? In the museum all the old age people things will be kept. Okay. So museum is a place where objects which are rare and used by your ancestors are preserved. What does ancestor means? Ancestor means olden age people. Okay, these gives information about the lives of people. So from that we can learn how people lived in olden age, what they ate, what type of dress they were wearing. Okay, all these things we can get information from museum. Therefore it is important to preserve the remains of the past. Okay, remains are the objects or things used by the people of the past which got buried under the earth. So, what a remains means? Remains are the objects or things that are used by the people in the past and they got buried under the earth. So, people will dig out the ground and they will take the things and they will keep it in the museum. Okay, so museum is a place where objects which are very rare and used by your ancestors are preserved. Okay. In Chennai also in Egmore museum is there. Okay, later you can go and see all the things kept in the museum. Okay, yes, next. So you can see the tools here, all the how olden age people, what are the tools they used. Okay, Early man used quartzite, a type of stone, for making tools and weapons. So what type of stone they used? Quartzite is a stone for making tools and weapons. A type of stone called flintstone was used to produce fire. So they were using the stone called flintstone for producing the fire. If they scratch the flintstone together, what will happen? Fire will come. So you can see all the tools. There were many tools that was made by stones. It was made by bones of animals. All these are here. So you can see all these tools. See these tools? This and all made by bones of animals, and this and all made by wood and stones. Okay, so early man used quartzite, a type of stone, for making tools and weapons, and a type of stone called flintstone was used to produce fire. Okay, next, cultivation. Cultivation means how in olden age people started growing crops, growing grains. Okay. Early humans did not know to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. So in early days people don't know how to grow crops and make food. So what they did, they were roaming here and there for all the places in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources. Okay. Now how we are drinking water? We are getting it from, now we are buying water cans, mineral waters are available, and we are having pumps, everything is there. But in olden age people, they were depend only about natural sources, that is rain. Okay, they don't know how to cook also, how to grow crops also. So after that they were started learning everything. Okay, this kind of life was called as nomadic life. So what is called as? It is called as nomadic life. People, they don't know anything, they don't know how to grow crops, they don't know anything. So that type of life is called as nomadic life. Early humans did not know how to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. Okay. They wore leaves, skins of animals, bark of trees to cover their body. They lived in caves and holes of big trees. So what the dress they were wearing? They were wearing leaves, skins of animals, barks of trees. Barks of trees means மரத்தில் இருக்க பட்டை. Okay, barks of trees to cover their body. They lived in caves and holes of big trees. Okay. Okay. Stones were sharpened as tools by them. So they were using all the stones and they were sharpening it and they were using it as a tool. They made it with the help of other tools, stones. Okay. So how they sharp the stones? They were using another stone to sharp the stone. Okay. These sharp tools help to hunt animals and tear the flesh of animals. So after sharpening these tools, what they did? They started hunting the animals. They will hunt the animals and they will tear the flesh of the animals and they will eat them. Okay. They used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees, and sticks as their tools and weapons. This stage of development in history is called as New Stone Age or Neolithic age. So this is called as New Stone Age or Neolithic age. So you can see this picture. This is the place where they live. It is the under the tree they will be living. Here also they were started hunting the animals with the help of the tools. And here see how they are wearing. They were wearing the leaves of the tree as their dress, and here they are wearing the skin of animals. All the skin of animals they have used and they have made it as a dress. Okay. Yes. Recall. So what all we learned today? We saw what is Stone Age. Stone Age means what? People they were using only stones as tools and weapons for all the purposes. It is called as Stone Age. Then human evolution, how people started developing themselves. So at first they were having only dog as the pet animal, and after some time they were started having all the cattle also as the pet animals. They ate everything raw because they don't know anything about fire, so they started eating everything raw only. Okay, then later after some time what happened? Fire. They invented fire. How they invented? They saw the forest fire, and because of the fire what happened? Many forest animals were died, so they ate the burnt animal. It was tasted very good, and from that they learned how to get fire. They were scratching two stones and they started seeing fire coming out of that, and they were using the fire. Then we saw what is a museum. Museum is what kind of dress they were using, where they lived, all these things we saw. Okay, we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.